I just strongly believe in being prepared, especially as a mom of 5 kids. I just want to know that if we get snowed in with this awful snowstorm that is hitting us right now, that I have enough food or things to take care of my family.
Oh, my gosh.
What are you guys doing here?
It just snowed in today.
Snowed! We got a call from the school at like 5 in the morning and...
Yeah, it woke me up. I was nervous. I didn't know who was calling.
Like, what is happening? They called us both at the same time. It's just automated system. So school got canceled.
School's canceled.
Learning from home.
Yeah, Cohen's preschool is canceled.
Work's canceled.
Dance is canceled. Everything is canceled today.
We're just gonna stay at home today. It is a winter wonderland outside.
Oh, my gosh. There was nothing on the porch yesterday. Oh my goodness.
Okay, you guys, ultimate comfort food for a cold, snowy day is
ice cream, yay!
not ice cream. The homemade mac and cheese that I just made for everyone. How is it, everyone?
Good!
Good? I know someone's gonna ask. I never follow a recipe. I got it from my mom though. Boil the macaroni noodles, butter, milk, a can of cream of chicken soup, cheese, and some seasonings. I've actually just been using this as the seasoning for it, which has like paprika, turmeric, onion, garlic, salt, all that kind of good stuff. So there you go, guys. Homemade mac and cheese on a snowy, snowy day. First, last 5, and your password is...
So many passwords.
You know, the remote learning thing is okay for 1 or 2 kids, but for 5 of them, it's a little overwhelming. All the login information. Oh.
Please log into the CRT math situation.
All the apps, everything. I'm like, they all 3 have at least 3 apps they have to do stuff on. I'm like, we only have 1 iPad. Carson has his iPad.
We have one.
I know, we have 1 iPad and Carson has his, so we're going to be juggling iPads today.
You going out in the snow?
Yeah.
You look so cool, dude. Yeah, you up, huh? Let's see it, can you? Hey, Pepper, go get him! Wow, you found your ball in the snow? How is that?
Did you guys have fun out in the snow? Yeah? It's awesome. What are you teaching her, Cokes?
How to hold a fishing rod.
Nice. We had to cut the outside play a little short for Ken so she could get ready for dance. You ready to go, sis?
Yep.
Okay, let's get going. Also, I just realized I should clarify. We said earlier that dance was canceled. However, they said any classes after 3 p.m. were still on because the roads and everything have been cleared. So, because her class is after 3 p.m., she still had ballet today. Just got her there safely. I'm washing mine and Cody's bedding, so our comforter is drying right here. But you guys, it has been so nice to just kind of take it easy and spend time together as a family today.
Got an intense game of b-ball going here. Oh, babe! Yeah! much wind drift snow.
Remember how I was just filming the grass right here? And now we're even with the porch again?
Yeah. It's like crazy because there's like hardly anything. And then there's like 3 foot right there. Just from all the wind.
I'm just finishing up my outdoor workout, and you guys, the wind, my cheeks are burning. I don't know how you're not wearing gloves, babe. Especially with metal shovel handle. Oh, that one's wood, but still, it's freezing.
It's freezing.
Oh yeah, you don't have gloves on either. How's it coming? So much. Chloe! Oh no! Coco, don't, bud.
Well, the storm hasn't really stopped. It just keeps coming down. Finally got the driveway all shoveled. Like, it's taking all day. But the internet's down, so we can't watch any shows or anything. So yeah, it's definitely a winter wonderland out there.
Sorry, Tiny.
Snow day is over.
We survived. No, you guys, it was so much fun. It was a little busy with the snow removal and the remote learning at home school, all of the things. But we survived.
It's kind of nice just having a day to kind of, it's like a weekend, but it's not.
I know. I just realized tomorrow's Thursday and the kids have been to school 1 day this week.
That's crazy.
Luckily, Cohen's preschool though, because he has school on Monday, Wednesdays. They didn't have school for President's Day, and then they didn't have school today. So they're doing a makeup on Friday, which will be nice.
That's good.
I know,
Get a
you
little
guys.
learning in there.
I know, and at least we got one activity today. We got ballet today, but whew, we are pooped.
Yes,
We're,
indeed.
We're very ready for bed. And you guys, he was like hurting his ribs shoveling more.
It's not so fun, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta get the van out somehow.
Oh, so bad. But you guys, we love you so much. Thanks for being here with us.
I love you.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes, we don't have